Given a URL to a text file, what is the simplest way to read the contents of the text file? In Python, when given the URL for a text file, what is the simplest way to access the contents of the text file and print the contents of the file out locally line by line without saving a local copy of the text file?
Edit 09 2016. In Python 3 and up use erlib.request instead of erlib2. Actually, the simplest way is you don't even read red lines, as was suggested. You could even shorten it too. But remember, in Python, readability matters. However, this is the simplest way but not the safe way, because most of the time with network programming, you don't know if the amount of data to expect will be respected. So you generally better read a fixed and reasonable amount of data, something you know to be enough for the data you expect but will prevent your script from being flooded. Second example in Python 3.
I'm a newbie to Python, and the offhand comment about Python 3 and the accepted solution was confusing. For posterity, the code to do this in Python 3 is. Or alternatively, note that just import erlib does not work.
The request library has a simpler interface and works with both Python 2 and 3.
There's really no need to read line by line. You can get the whole thing like this.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.